Hey guys, Tony here. So I wanted to put out this video just so, I know this is a direct, I guess not response, but reaction towards that one YouTuber guy, the Jeremy something from Financial Advice or Financial Education 1-2. I don't see his videos much, but I just saw that he put $1 million into Walgreens, and I think it's a huge mistake because I think he's gonna lose at least about 20% of his money. I think Walgreens is actually going to go down to like the 40, possibly back down to like around the $30 mark in the next, I don't know, 6 months to like a year. I think it's basically a trail down from here. I don't think it's going to go up. And this dude is putting $1 million into Walgreens. I think it's a really bad decision. Because I mean, generally right now, what is happening is you see there's divergence. There's a little bit of divergence on the Stoke, right? There's a little bit of bearish divergence. I can't really do a lot of TA just because I'm driving, but there's a lot of bearish divergence on the Stoke right now from peak to peak. Peak right here on the Stoke, peak on the Stoke. There's a little bit of bearish divergence on there, and the reverse MACD is just closed for the month of June, bearish. And usually what happens after a bearish close on Walgreens, especially on a perfect sell-off like this, is you basically get maybe a small rise the next month, but then you have a heavy drop the month after. So you might see a small July run-up, maybe back to the previous fib, maybe a couple percentages up, but then it's going to be a straight shot down. So if this guy doesn't pull out of his position sometime in August, September, he's definitely gonna see a $40 Walgreens sometime in the next 6 months or so. I don't know if this guy is long-term swing trading. I don't know what his position really is. You guys should probably not see that. but what is it called? Yeah, I think he's making a big mistake putting his money into Walgreens. And I know he's not probably going to see this video because he has like millions of followers or whatever, but I would not be buying Walgreens right now. It's been on an easy downtrend for the last couple of years, probably. I mean, it's been in the downtrend since what, 2015? I don't understand why you would purchase now. I mean, especially when, even using the breakout strategy that I showed you guys, the reverse of that, we're basically going to be crossing towards the downside with no support really up until maybe 44 to $40, and I strongly think that we hit $40. So I mean, I don't know if anybody wants to send him this video and tell him to maybe be a little bit more cautious and look into the TA. I know he's all about financials. I know he doesn't care about TA and stuff, but I'm just trying to save this guy. I don't know, what's 20% of $1 million, like 200K in the next couple of months or so. So I'll see you guys later.